Here.
Here, put it back in. Let's open the next one. Is that candies?
I will eat it.
Yeah, we'll eat it later.
Oh.
Okay, let's put it back. Let's see what's in this one. Let's open this egg.
No, I put it.
Ready? What's that?
Easter.
Is that a bunny?
I go open it.
Oh, what's that? Right there. What is that?
I go take it out.
Here, pull the ears back and then pull it out. Pull the ears back and then. What is that?
No, I do.
That's a Pez dispenser, bud. And that's candy. Okay, what's that? Is that another egg? You want to open it and see what's in there?
No, I'm going. Go make it go.
Daddy's gonna move the egg. Push the button. Push the button on the train. Watch it go around and then see if you can pull the egg off. Can you get the egg off the train?
No.
Pull the egg off.
Yep.
The egg.
Yep.
Let's see what's in it now. Okay.
No, I do it. No,
Squeeze in the middle and pull apart. Up here. Watch, like
no, I do it.
push with your thumbs right there. And then pull apart. Oh, you almost got it. There, pull it apart and see what's in it. Oh, what are those?
Here.
Let's hold it out here so you can see. What are those?
Will you roll on me?
Put back in. You can have them in a little bit. I think there's more stuff. What does your elephant have? Elephant. They're bouncy.
Bouncy.
What is that?
Oh, no. What's this side?
What's this?
What's this egg?
Oh, what's in there? What's in the egg?
Huh? Oh,
Another egg. A whole bunch of eggs. You want to open them? What's that?
that's some presents.
Are those stickers?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open another egg? You want to open this egg?
Oh.
What's in there?
That's was from this say, Mommy? What's this say?
What are those?
Skittles. And what's on the other
Oh,
one?
what's this, Henry? Look at what's in this egg.
Jelly beans.
What's in that egg? What are those other things? What are these? What are those?
I go eat it.
Not right now. What's that right there? Henry, what's this? What's this right here?
I don't know.
What's that big thing right next to the ice cream?
Huh?
What's that?
Huh?
Easter basket?
Where? What dear? Oh!
Is there a whole bunch of...
Eggs. Purple eggs in here.
What is in there?
What are these? Ladybug.
Here! Oh,
It's so colors.
I go put in my piggy.
Let's move it a little bit. Let's see what else. Let's go here. Let's why don't we move over somewhere where Mama can see what you're doing here.
Okay, let's go over here.
I want bubbles in here.
You
You
want
wanna get-
bubbles? I don't think there's bubbles in here, buddy. But let's why don't we go through and see what else there is.
Here, hand Daddy the quarters, and I'll put them up on the table.
Boy. Quarters? Oh my goodness.
What's this? What's
Oh,
this?
a sticker.
You got all kinds of stickers of the Easter Bunny.
Here, Mommy.
All kinds of chocolate. don't you?
Huh?
Is that a ladybug?
I go by you.
Let's get a bite.
That's chocolate bug.
That's a chocolate bug. How'd you know that?
Maybe after you eat breakfast.
Well, let's see what else is in here.
Huh? What's this?
Chocolate bunny.
Oh, I could eat it tomorrow.
What's that?
It's something in there?
Who is that on there?
It's Doggy.
Who is that?
And Mickey.
Is that Mickey?
We'll open
Who
it.
is that?
Don-
Is that Mickey?
no, that's Donald. That's,
Who is that?
that's Daisy.
Not Donald Daisy. That's Mickey. What's inside of it?
Huh? Wow.
Let's open it up and look. What are those? Are those Band-Aids? Are those for ouchies?
When you get a boo-boo?
When you get a boo-boo? It's
Mommy.
got Mickey on it. You got Mickey Band-Aids.
Do you have a boo-boo right now?
You got a boo-boo?
What's this, Mommy?
It's a chocolate bunny.
I do, Mommy.
Watch.
Is that more Band-Aids? Who is that on the Band-Aids?
Here.
Who's on the Band-Aids?
Oh,
Henry, who is this?
what's this?
Henry, look at Daddy. Who's that?
Toy Wow.
Who's that? Is that Snoopy?
That's Snoopy.
These are Band-Aids too. These are for boo-boos. So you got Mickey Mouse and Charlie Brown Band-Aids.
What's that?
That's Woodstock, isn't it?
Oh,
Oh. What are these? Are those crayons too?
He's pretty much a crayon.
I want to open it. You know Saturday?
Henry, look.
Look. Easter Bunny crayons. Let's not play with them right now. We'll get a book out
Book out.
and you can color in a little bit. What else do we got here? Oh, are they bunny ears?
Oh,
You got a book too?
Do you want mommy to put them on?
You want to wear them? No? Mom wear 'em?
Do I look silly?
Oh.
You got the roof on your head on it?
Mhm. I want to be on day.
You want a band?
What's this?
Those are crayons, buddy.
No, these are eggs.
Yeah, they're crayons.
Shaped like eggs. Isn't that funny?
I will open it.
How about in a couple minutes?
What's in your book?
A book? You wanna look at the
What's
book?
on there?
I will color book.
I don't think we color that book. I think we pull out a coloring book and color. Okay, or daddy and mommy will bring up some paper.
Let's put the eggs back right now. You want to look at the book at all?
Is that a ducky?
That's the that's Daddy Ducky.
I think that's
I go be mommy duck. Yeah?
You want to go look?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You can't pull up hands off of it, but so you want to open up the door and go outside? Daddy will do it, okay? Let's see if you see anything. You got a map? Come on, buddy. Can't see. Ready? Let's see if you see anything.
Um,
Go around. You see anything? What's that?
What is that, Harry? Go back and grab it.
Is that the she's just
I go open it.
I think that's chalk.
That's chalk, so you can draw on the driveway. Yeah. What's that right there,
Oh,
Henry?
it's windy.
What's that right there?
Huh?
What's this?
Huh?
Is that an egg? Did the Easter Bunny leave Henry an egg?
I go, I'll go. I'll go. Oh, and where's the steps?
Is there an egg on the steps? Daddy, hold your hand. Take a step down. You want to get it? Put it back in the container for Mom?
No.
You gotta go find more.
There's more eggs, I bet.
Don't bring it. Put it in here. And then go find some
don't have any more
You
eggs.
found them all?